It's right there. Oh, can you say, who makes sounds like oink oink? Oink oink. Who makes sounds like oink oink? Is it a cow or a pig? Who makes oink oink sounds? No, pig. Okay. Oh, what do you have there? It's a pig. What does the pig say? Oink oink. P for pig. Good job. Can you show Mama the eyes? Good job. Bye bye pig. Bye bye. Thank you pig. What does the cow say? Moo. That's not a cow. That is still pig. That is still pig. Like, what does the pig say?
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink. Good job. The pig in the farm goes
Oink, oink, oink.
oink, oink, oink. All through the farm. Hi, I wanna go up in the farm. Up, 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 up. Oh no! The cow is on the top of the barn. What are we going to do? The pig said, help, help, help me, please, please. Can we push the pig like this? Oh no, we dropped the pig. Oh, I'm sorry, pig. I'm sorry. This pig, this pig.
No.
What cow makes sounds like?
Hmm?
Moo! Good job. Ding, 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 ding. The cow in the farm goes moo, moo, moo. All through the farm. Oh, hi. Let's put the cow here. And he wants to sleep. Sleep. I want to sleep. Can you make your cow talk? Hi. What is your name? Ami. How old are you, Ami? How old are you, cow? I am 2. We found a, what is this? Cow. What the cow say? Moo. Can we squeak the cow? Oh, it surprised us. One more. Uh-oh. It surprised us again. The cow in the farm goes all through the farm. And we have a, what is this? Who makes sounds like neigh? It's a ho 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 horse. Horse. Na hen. What is that? It's a unicorn. Good job, unicorn. Pat, 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 unicorn. Oh. Oh, what's that? A horse. What does the horse say?
Hi, horsey.
Hi, horsey. Good job.
Okay, bye-bye, horsey.
Bye-bye, horsey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. A unicorn too. What is the next? Can you tell me what is this, please? What is this, please? It's a sheep. Oh, it's turn. Okay. What is the sheep? It's turn. What is the sheep say? Ba. Good job. The sheep in the farm goes ba, 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 all through the town. Good job. The puppy in the barn goes
Up at the barn.
Woof, woof, woof. Up in the barn. Go. Oh no, it got stuck. Oh, look. There is what is this? Here. Oh, I think this is the house of the hen. Here. And there's how many eggs in it? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 eggs. Good job. Can we press this? Beep, beep, beep. What does the chick say? Beep, beep, beep. Oh, there's a teeny tiny chicks there. Tick, beep, beep. Oh. Kruk, 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 kruk. What is the duck say?
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Good job. The duck in the farm goes quack, quack, quack all through the farm. Look, it's so beautiful. Orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and red. Good job! Can we put it on all the animals? Put it on. Duck on. Quack, 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 quack. Sheep, what does the sheep say? Ba. Ba. Sheep on. What about the pig? Where is the pig goes? Is this for the pig?
No.
Is this the pig's house?
No.
Is this the pig's house?
Yeah.
Yes! Good job! What about horse? What does the horse say? Is this the horse house?
No.
Is this the horse house?
No.
What about this?
Yeah.
Yes! Good job! What about this? What is this? Can you tell me what is this? A cow. What does the cow say? Moo! 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 Good job. Is this the cow? Is this the cow's house?
No.
Is this the cow's house?
Yeah.
Yes. Next is because we lost the other one. What is this? Hen. What does the hen say? Bak, 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 bak. Because we don't have it, let's pretend this is here. Oh, what is this?
Barn.
What is the color of the barn? Can you tell me what is the color of the barn? It's red. Is this the barn's house?
Yeah.
Is this a barn's house?
Yeah.
Is this the barn? Yes, good job, and you got a surprise horse. Good job. What is the color of the horse? A brown. Good job. How many horses do you have? One. One, two. Can you show me where is the white horse?
There.
There. What about the brown horse? Which is the brown horse?
There.
There. Can you count the horse?
1, 2.
Two. Good job. Thank you. Can you say, open door, please? Open. Open. Open door. Open door. Good job. Open, say, open, say, open, say. Open wanna go inside the barn. Thank you for opening the door. I want you to... Oh no! Oh no! Good job! Let me do it. Close door, close. Close door. Close. Close. Close door. Is koala a farm animals? No. Hi koala. Where is the koala's eyes? Come on, can you point mama here please? Come on. Is this the eyes? No, is this the eyes? Is this the eyes? Yes. Feed turtle. Yum, 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 yum. Good job. I love it. All done. All done. All done. Thank you for feeding turtle. Thank you. Love, love, turtle. Love, love. Oh, love, love. Thank you. Turtle, a watermelon. Thank you for feeding me. What about this? What is this? Avocado. A banana. What about this? What is this? Pineapple. Oh, thank you for feeding me. I am so full. I'm not hungry anymore. Thank you. Kiwi. Oh, you want more kiwi? Kiwi. Feeding turtle a kiwi. Thank you. Thank you. Kiwi. It's spicy. Is kiwi a spicy? Spicy? It's spicy kiwi. Okay. Oh, look at the worm. We need to feed the worm. What is the color of the worm? That's correct. It's purple. Melon in. What is this? Kiwi in. Good job. That. Avocado in. Yum, 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 yum. Avocado. What is that? Pineapple. Nom, 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 nom. What's that? Banana in. Nom, 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 nom. Worm is so hungry. What's that? Water. Melon. Yum, yum. What is this? Orange. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, thank you so much, Ami. Thank you for feeding me. I am full now. Thank you. Is cat a farm animal? Yes. Cat is a farm animal. Can you tell me what is the cat say? Meow. Can you pat the cat? So soft. Soft cat. Very soft. Is horse eat pizza? No. 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 Horse don't eat pizza. Horse eat grass. Yes, grass. Eat pizza? Grass don't eat pizza. No. No, no, no. Yes. Yay. It's what is this? Can you tell Mama what is this? Good job. Is Triceratops eat pizza? No. Can you count the farm animals with me? 1, 2, 3. Hi, baby. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 farm animals. Mama is so hungry. Mama is so hungry. We need to eat.